Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. We are going to show you a very unique and very easy tip to clean your floor with the help of baking soda. For this you require detergent and baking soda. First of all, take a mug of water. Now what you have to do is you have to add approximately 2 tablespoons of detergent in it. Now you have to add same quantity of baking soda also. That means 2 tablespoons of baking soda is also required. Now you have to add some vinegar in it. This is completely optional. If you want, then you can add approximately 2 tablespoons of vinegar in it. Mix all these ingredients well. Now what you need is a cloth for the cleaning process. You have to dip a cloth in this water. You must try this unique way to clean floor. We have dipped the cloth in this water. Now we will use it for the cleaning process. We are going to show you live that how you can clean floor very easily with this. This will remove all the dirt and dust from your floor and will give a shiny look to it. You can see that how shiny the floor will become in just a few seconds. This method works very well. You must try this method and must share your reviews about this. See that how shiny the floor has become by using this method. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share.